Welcome to lesson 5. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the primary indicator. Let's get started. We're here and we have on our screen the baseline, which is called the Kijun Sen. And in this lesson, we're adding the primary indicator, which is called the Aroon or the Aroon up and down. And so let's go over the first condition, which is price has to cross and close over the Kijun Sen for the first condition for us to enter. So we see that it has crossed, but below we can see that the Aroon up and down is still blue, which is a long signal. We want the red to cross above it before we enter, and that's the purpose of the primary indicator. So let's click some more bars. And finally, the Aroon, this red line, has now gone above the blue line. So now we have two signals. We have the Kijun Sen crossing over and closing, and our secondary signal here, our secondary condition, is the primary indicator. Now we can enter. So we can put in an order like this of just a simple one with a 2-to-1 ratio, a stop loss of 50, a take profit of 100. We press the sell button and we've got our order. So now I'm going to show you how we do that in Strategy Quant. We're here in Strategy Quant software. If you're unfamiliar with what Strategy Quant software is, you can look in the description below or on my website. It's got a free 2-week trial and some coupons if you decide to buy it. Essentially, this software will generate a strategy for you using the conditions that you set. And in the last lesson, we set the baseline as the condition. And next, we're going to add a primary indicator. So let's go do that right now. So we click on Builder, and the first tab we're going to click on is What to Build. We're going to scroll down here to Conditions, okay? And we're going to click on this. So it says right here, Conditions in Entry Rule. Okay, so remember the first condition? It was the baseline. Prices has to cross and close. So we have that as one condition to enter. Now we're going to add a primary indicator. So we need to add one more condition as the minimum amount for that. So we click here and we've got 2 as the minimum for an entry into a trade. The maximum is set to 3. Can change that later or keep it the same, but we're going to save that. Next, we're going to go into building blocks. Now, remember the first entry condition was the Ichimoku strategy here, price crossing over the Kijun Sen bearish, Kijun Sen bullish when it goes and crosses over the baseline. And right here we can see this right here. It says wait. Okay, so if we really want this to be in our algorithm, we can add some extra points to it so that we can add some weight to that, so that when it's generating strategies, it really uses this, it prioritizes this. Okay, the next indicator that we want to add is the primary indicator, and that is the Aroon up and down. So we can do that easily by just clicking here, Aroon up and down, and that's it. And if we really want that indicator to be in our algorithm, we can add some more weight to it, and it will add some more priority to that. And that's how you do it. That's how you can add the baseline and the primary indicator into this algorithm that we're going to generate. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. All the software that we use today, the links for those will be in the description below. If you want to support my channel, you can press the like button and subscribe. It is completely free. If you want to donate to my channel, you can buy me a coffee. That link is on my website and in the description below. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.